Hey, what's up? Right now I'm going to show you my top 10 Cydia tweaks / apps. So let's start. The first one is called Swipe Shift Caret, and as you see right here, hello, comment, RTE, add, subscribe. So if you're writing something down on a notes or just writing something down like for the App Store, instead of going here and trying to fix the word or the mistake, you just swipe it and it moves to your finger. You can also have one swipe, depends what you want. And there you go. Okay, now for number 9, it's 5-column springboard, and it's just what it is, 5-column springboard. Here you have 5 columns instead of the usual 4. What it really does is just gives you more space to fit more stuff you have. And there it is. For number 8 now, it's barrel, and what you see right now is effects, which is happening. How you access barrel is by going to settings and scrolling down to right here, barrel, and you can change the effects that happens, like here a bunch: random, cube inside, cube outside, page slide down, and there's many more. Let me just do page zoom, exit out, and then every time I turn the page will zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom out. There it is. Okay, now for 7, it's gravity board, and you also access this by going to settings, and here's gravity board, and you can set it from activation methods, from double press, short hold, and a bunch of other stuff. Anyway, once you have the activation method, press and there's no gravity here. As you can see, you can move around the icons, and then press it back, and it'll return to how it was. Okay, now for 6, it's Gridlock, which is how I did move these. As you can see, I can move it anywhere to customize your home screen, your screen. And I did spell my name with it, Chris. Here's a C, an H, an R, an I, and an S. Then here's just some other apps there. Now for number 5, it's multi-icon mover, and if this is really useful, especially if you want to move all your apps or things and other pages instead of moving one by one. What you do is just hold it and then just click on the ones, and it puts a little check mark on it. Go to another page, press the home button, and there, they just pop up right there. Really useful. If you want to put it back right now. Now for number 4, it's remove background SBSettings, and what this does is removes all your background stuff that was open before, all by going inside SBSettings and press remove BG. You press it, wait for it to load, and they're all gone. Instead of having to click one by one, this is way easier. Now for number 3, it's folder enhancer, and what this lets you do is put folders inside folders, or put endless amounts of icons inside a folder. So instead of having the usual 4, I believe, or yeah, I believe it's 4, you can have endless amounts. You can put 20 inside a folder, or you can also put a folder inside a folder inside a folder inside a folder, and etc., which is what I did. And now number 2, another useful one is SBSettings. Here you just hold this, and then it just brings out a toggle which you can customize yourself. But here's the main ones: airplane, Bluetooth, brightness, data, location, process, and Wi-Fi. You can change your amount of brightness if you want to activate Bluetooth. Process, I have no idea what that is. Location, turn on your location services. If you're on airplane, put on airplane mode, which I don't use. Turn on Wi-Fi, and you can power off just from right here. You can respring and a bunch of other stuff. Okay, now for number 1, which is a really great one: Siri, Spire, Acid Siri, whatever you want to call it. For me, it's Acid Siri. What it is instead of having just Siri on the iPhone 4S, you can have it on all Apple devices. By that I mean iPods, iPhone 3Gs. So let me just demonstrate it right now. And here it brings up Siri. Now let me ask it a question. What time is it?
It is 6 p.m.
And there you have it. So comment, rate, and subscribe, and bye. comes up.